Nike's 2025 road running collection has earned praise by blending innovation with style, highlighted by the Pegasus Premium. This model introduces a first-of-its-kind sculpted Zoom Air unit within a 3-layer cushioning system, offering runners a distinct underfoot feel. Adding luxury to performance, Swarovski collaborates on the shoe, showcasing its craftsmanship with crystals placed exclusively on the lateral swoosh for a striking yet refined detail. Dressed in a blue force, blue void, metallic silver and blue void palette, the design avoids seasonal earthy tones, instead emphasizing a bold, performance-driven look. The pair also comes packaged with a Swarovski-branded dust bag, enhancing its exclusivity. Unlike past Air Max projects where crystals covered multiple areas, this approach focuses attention on one signature element. Limited in availability and priced around $300, the Pegasus Premium release through Nike.com signals both innovation in performance running shoes and elevated aesthetic collaboration.